Ladies, gentlemen, look at this. Picture two faces, one body, a living paradox of separation and unity. This image is a lens for a profound idea. Connection is a fundamental principle of the universe. Consider quantum physics. Particles can become entangled, linked so deeply that measuring one instantly affects its partner, defying distance. They're a single shared state, yet we live in a world of solid separateness. Why? Decoherence, interaction with the environment, forces quantum possibilities to collapse into a single definite reality. These twins are that process embodied, a single system branched into two centers of experience. Their shared body creates correlation, while the world decoheres them into the appearance of separate agents. Unity and individuality are two expressions of one fabric. This isn't just physics, it's an ethical mirror. If reality is this deeply connected, then our actions reverberate. Empathy isn't just moral, it's a rational response to how the universe works. Your takeaways: cultivate coherence, align attention, intention, and context in your life and work. Respect connection. Treat relationships as the real links they are. Small actions matter. Ask new questions. What substrate do we share? How does my move benefit our shared board? Shift from seeing yourself as a solitary player to an interdependent strategist. In a network game, act as if we are connected because we are. Thank you. If this resonates with you, if you're ready to explore consciousness, connection, and transformation on a deeper level, join us at the Prodigal movement. Dive deeper into quantum-inspired wisdom, spiritual deconstruction, and practical frameworks for building a more connected world through the Prodigal Academy. Visit theprodigalmovement.com to explore courses, join conversations, and step into a community dedicated to awakening collective consciousness.